This pasta salad will blow your mind, so start by heating up your noodles. I always make mine al dente in the microwave. Ask me about that later. Crinkle cutter to the cucumbers, because why not? I mean, it looks so cute. Just take a look. Add the pasta and the cucumbers right to my insulated serving bowl. I use the on-the-go serving bowl because it just makes transporting easier and storage in general. And then I'm now using my cup slicer to slice up all of those itty-bitty tomatoes, and as you can see, it goes very quick. Don't forget to put it on the base. That's the last step whenever you're slicing. Pour it in, and then using my fancy can opener, which has the smooth edge, to open my corn and strain it on top. I use my pressure cooker to make black beans. I do that in bulk. And then we're slicing up an avocado using my avocado tool. And half of it's going to go right into the salad, but the other half is going to be made into a dressing. So I'm adding all of my ingredients to a container so that I can use. Oh, and don't forget that green goddess seasoning. That is the magic. And then I'm using my immersion blender. It's cordless. And oh my gosh, this dressing was amazing. I tripled the recipe, so I had some more on hand. And then I am adding some of the dressing, again, not all of it, I'm saving the rest for other salads, into the bowl, and then topping it with some feta. And then, of course, look for the lid because I never can find anything. And we love to have this at camping. Oh, it's so good. Want the full recipe? Drop an avocado below.